Oh yeah. Welcome back to another episode of The Farming Chefs. Today I'll be demonstrating how I love to make a beetroot and use the whole plant while we're at it. And to do so, I'm going to demonstrate a warm vegetable dish that I personally love. I make it all the time whenever it's this season and I have these things in the garden. So let's go. I'm just separating the tender leaves from the stalks. The stalks are quite tough, so I would advise you to get rid of those, and any yellow leaf as well. Voila. Once you have your beetroots prepared and you have your leaves to the side, washed and well, it's now time to move on to the rest of the prep, and that is just 2 cloves of garlic, a bit of ginger and some broad beans. And then we are moving on to our broad beans. These are very young broad beans, and the reason I'm using these is because they're very tender, and once you open them up, you can use the whole broad beans. I just really love the vibrant green of these broad beans. Labor of love. I personally love them when they're this young. They're very tender and they don't have that bitterness to them yet that they get when they're older. All right, done. And then the last thing before we move on to the fire is preparing the things that will get heated, and that is cutting our beetroot into little wedges. And then last but not least, let's prep some apples. On a medium heat, just saute these up. While the beetroots are getting nice and sweet over there, we're going to now saute off their leaves. I'm then going to quickly add my fresh broad beans. And there you have it, 2 very simple, very healthy, delicious spring dishes. We're gonna dig right in. You could dress this with a bit of extra apple cider vinegar and a bit of olive oil. I've added salt in both of the sauteing processes. Enjoy. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, as it's very much appreciated. See you on the next one. The Farming Chefs, peace out.